We are undeniably experiencing a world health decline like never before. Poisons everywhere are resulting in toxic overload on every level. In recent decades, a new source has compounded the problem. PFAS, commonly known as forever chemicals, don't break down, and among the worst of these are microscopic heavy metals that accumulate in our bodies and stay there. The safe exposure level to PFAS is 0. Yet we are bombarded daily. The negative health effects from these modern-day assaults is catastrophic. And for most of us, there isn't enough time in the day to sort through propaganda and misinformation to uncover the real reasons for declining health, like poor sleep quality, declining cognitive function, or plummeting energy levels. Yet our physical and emotional health deserve the best support available. Meet MasterPeace, a formula specifically designed to support your body in cleansing out these unavoidable microscopic toxins, enabling you to thrive and become the best version of yourself. For less than $1 a day, MasterPeace provides an effective defense and offense, preventing new exposures from taking hold while cleansing out accumulated debris, which leads to disease. All this while putting your body in a more nourished state. Finally, a product up to the task of clearing out these blockages to your own body's healing abilities. MasterPeace is a crucially important investment in your health and is available to you today. Use the referral link of the person who told you about MasterPeace to set up an account to get started on your journey to better health and healing.